Hello friends, how are we doing today? It is finally time for us to organize this closet. So I have done so much to get this closet to the point where it's at now, but that would have been super boring for a video. So we're gonna do the fun stuff now. I don't know if you can see, but I have shoes along this wall that I need to put away, and then I also need to organize my clothes. And I just took a shower, so if my hair looks a little funny, it's wet and it's dry. Also, this video is gonna be super random. It's gonna be me just like cleaning different things, kind of showing you different things. I have like a haul to do. It's just gonna be a hodgepodge of stuff. It's basically everything that I can get done today before I have to edit this video. Oh, today's like my only day off. So let's jump in and get this done. I did have a system before where I was sorting everything by color, and I thought it looked really aesthetically pleasing, but the issue I ran into is when you have a clump of colors together, everything looks the same. And it was so hard for me to find the piece that I wanted. So I think if I do everything by what it is, so put like leggings together, workout shirts together, whatever, make all the categories, I think it'll look really good and I'll be able to find things so much easier and it'll be so much more functional. So let's get started. I hope you can see. Right down here, I have a dresser for some clothes. So I want to put shirts right here so it doesn't run into the drawers. I think that would make most sense. Where do we even begin? When I start these projects, I'm like, ugh, I've been dreading this one. I guess what I'll do is I'll put jeans over on this side. I think these don't fit me. So anything that doesn't fit me, I'm just gonna drop and we're gonna deal with later. That was another thing. I need to declutter my closet as well. There's probably a better way to do this. I don't even think these fit me right now. I'm pretty sure, yeah, that definitely doesn't fit me right now. I heard American Eagle is getting rid of their extended sizes, which sucks because even less options for us. This was gonna be a hot girl summer top, but I don't know where to put it. I guess it has to go on this side. I'm already overwhelmed and we're 2 minutes in. That's why I've been dreading this closet. I just don't want to do it. All right, let me think of the easiest thing I could do to get the most results. What can I do? Do one of you want to come over and help me? That'd be great. Okay, maybe what I'll do is start with jackets all the way on this side. These are like my favorite jeans. I've talked about them so much. They're from Abercrombie. Did I make a dent yet? So I have all my jackets and sweaters and stuff over there. So what should go next? Like all my jeans and leggings? Or dresses? Or long sleeves? Like can you tell me down below how you organize your closet? I genuinely don't know what the best way to do it is. So if you have a certain sequence, let me know. That would be very helpful. I think I'll go into long sleeves now. That makes sense in my head. This one's saucy. I wore this for my birthday 2 years ago. She's cute. Now what do I do if it's a long sleeve dress? I guess that'll be in its own section. Oh, and then we have the issue of some things are half sleeves. Like this is a half sleeve. Do we put it with long sleeve? This is why I hate projects like this. I'm so detail oriented. I feel like this doesn't belong in long sleeves. I don't know. Let's just keep going. I'll put it in there for now. Like, I guess it doesn't matter. Okay, I just found another category. That was fast. So then I have these, what are these called? You put it like a bathing suit cover up or like a shawl sort of deal. And I have a leopard print one over here I got from a boutique when I was in Orlando. I generally don't think I've ever worn it and I don't know if it's my style anymore. So we might be getting rid of those. All right, I need everything. I need space. All right, long sleeves. That's what we're doing. I think I'm gonna put long sleeve dresses next to the long sleeves. This one's cute. I got this one from Nordstrom. I think I only wore it once though, so it needs more attention. This is my Skims robe. I feel like this could be in a better spot. Where do you put a robe? I literally might put my robe with, I don't know. All right, this will go to the side too. So this dress I got on Amazon and I loved it, and then I accidentally got little bleach marks. You might not even be able to see it. I got little bleach marks on it. And I don't like it now because I feel like you can see it in person really well, unfortunately. All right, we'll get rid of this. That's one thing. I'll make a little pile of all the things I'm getting rid of, and then we can see how big the pile is when we're done. This is another cute one from Nasty Gal. I think I got it from. I don't think I ever wear this dress. It's a striped one from, I think, Amazon. Okay, so all the stuff that I was putting on the door, I'm gonna worry about later. But I think I'm gonna go in with all my dresses now because I just did the long sleeve dresses. So now I'll do every other dress that I own. We'll go like right here. These are like my summer dresses. So I have some Lily Pulitzer, some Old Navy. I don't wear those until summer hits, really. I do have a dress in here though. So I end up keeping the pink. I thought it would just be fun during the summer. I think I'll get use out of it then. I'll try to wear it more than once. But then like there's always other summers, you know? I love this dress, but it is too small on me. I've gotten so much use out of this dress. This one's from, I have no idea. It's either from Forever 21 or Rue 21. I shockingly have gotten so much use out of this dress. It is perfect when you have birthday parties, and in Nick's family he has, and there's like 5 birthdays back to back it feels like, and so this always makes a comeback every couple birthdays. This one is my literal favorite dress for the summer. I got it from Old Navy. It's like a long maxi dress. They'll probably come out with it again because I noticed Old Navy, they bring back dresses after a few seasons or even like from last season. So this is an XXL. It kind of reminds me of the dress that I just got from Old Navy. I'll show you that in a sec because I'm just going to do a little collective clothing haul with you guys as a little bonus for us cleaning my closet together. Thank you for hanging out with me. And if you need to clean out your closet, now's the time. This is a sign. You should be doing this with me. Okay, that's all the maxi dresses that I have, shockingly. So now I'm going to move into all of my midi to mini dresses. This is one of my favorite styles from Boohoo. And this one I'm pretty sure is from Amazon. It's just like a plain brown dress. I think it's kind of boring now. I might keep it because it fits good. And I'll see if I get any use out of it. If I don't get any use out of it, I'll get rid of it. This is another one of my favorite dresses from Boohoo. I kind of have a favorite from each store. It's just a t-shirt dress with little ruffle sleeves and a v-neck. It's just so cute and you can wear this for anything. If I have links to anything, I'll link it down below, but I don't know. This is a size large. This definitely can't fit me anymore. This was my favorite to wear over bathing suits. I'm sad to see it go, but I only want to keep things that fit me. That is a big part of my intuitive eating journey, is also only keeping clothes that fit me and not, because I cannot tell you how many boxes of clothes I had. Literally at least 10 containers of clothes that no longer fit me that I was too kind of sad or ashamed to get rid of, because obviously my weight has fluctuated and that's totally fine because that's part of my own health journey. But I know if my weight were to go back down, it might or it might not, at least I'll be able to buy new clothes then, because seasons come, clothes change. So for now I'm only keeping things that fit me or were too expensive for me to get rid of yet. This dress, okay, I have so many stories. This dress is my most clicked on piece Out of everything I've linked down below, this is the thing, at least from the analytics that I can see. I can't see who clicks on things, but I can see what has been clicked on. And this piece has literally the most clicks out of any item. So I'm definitely gonna link this one down below. I think I need to get this in one size larger because the 2X is a little too small for me now. When I got it, I was a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna reorder this so I can finally wear it again. I think I'll get like a 3X. Such a popular piece for some reason. I mean, it's cute, but it's just crazy. This I wish I got in a larger size. It doesn't 100% fit me, but I don't want to get rid of it yet. Now this dress I got from Target, and this one is most popular in my family. I don't think anybody really on YouTube has complimented it, but every time I've worn this, my family has always told me how beautiful it looks. So this is a cool one to have. Mainly Nick's Nan. She is my #1 fan, as well as Nick's step grandma, I think, grandparent. She always comments on my dresses and she's so sweet. Her name is Penny. Love her. I have a large amount of mini dresses, as to be expected. The whole closet is finally done. All that stuff right over there is things to donate. So I have shoes and clothes, and then up here is where all of my shoes are being stored right now. I do have a little shoe case by my door with more shoes, but this is just like overflow. All of those are organized, the extra hangers, and then I just have storage in those bins. So how I've done my clothes is I have sweaters and jackets, long sleeve dresses, maxi dresses, midi dresses, jeans and leggings, and then I have workout shirts. Then I have like my tees, and I have those organized by like graphic tee scoop neck, v-neck, and then I have tank tops and going out tops, and then crop tops are all the way over here. And then behind this door, I have all of Nick's clothes. So he has all of his jackets, then long sleeves, then all of his tees and his pants and shorts, and then more storage up here. And then in that little corner, I just have extra of those bins that I was keeping my shoes in. So those are probably gonna get donated. It's all done. I'm sure I could organize this by color, but I'm not going to. I kind of just like how it is. I can see things easier that way. And I'm gonna give that stuff over there to my sister or donate it. I am so happy we got to finish this closet today. I am beyond excited. And while I was cleaning my closet, I had a little delivery for a Skylar perfume that I bought months ago. We're talking like, I don't know, like 3 months ago or 4 months ago. I bought it, and then about a month later I noticed I hadn't gotten it yet. So I emailed them and they were like, as per our website, it is back ordered. And I'm like, well, it wasn't back ordered when I bought it. And then I opened it and I thought it was like a dirty cap, but it's just marbled. So it's a very interesting color. I kind of enjoy this perfume. I think it's just a warm vanilla. It said that it had a cappuccino note, which I was super excited to try. I didn't really smell it, but it was still good. There's me like wafting it in. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.